Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are starting paper 970912 October November 2019, and the starting time is 11. The starting time is 11. Let's see what will be the ending time. Now, question number one. Question number one is question of binomial. What we have in this question, find the quotient of x square and the combined expansion of two brackets is 3. Find the value of the constant a. So first we have to expand. First we have to find the term x square in the combined expansion. So the first bracket is 4 plus ax. Second bracket को अगर expand करते हैं 1 plus nc1 b1 plus nc2 b2, बस सिर्फ एक्स स्क्वायर तक हमें जाना है, तो इससे ज्यादा एक्सपेंड करने की नीड नहीं है. नाउ so it will be 4 plus ax. Here it will be 1 plus 3x plus 15 upon 4 x square. Now, if 4 multiply with 15 upon 4 x square, so it will give us x square. So 4 multiplied by 15 over 4x square will give us 15x squared. And if ax multiply with 3x, so it will give us 3ax squared. Now, the coefficient of x squared, 15 plus 3a, is 3. So by this, the value of a is minus 4. By this, the value of a is minus 4. Hopefully, the question is clear. Now, after that, question number 2. What we have in question number 2? Question number 2 is the question of trigonometry. The point M is the midpoint of the line joining the points this and this, 3, 7, and minus 1, 1. Find the equation of the line through M. Find the equation of the line through M, which is parallel to the line this. Okay. The point M is the midpoint of the line joining this and this. Find the equation of the line through M, which is parallel to the. First, I am calculating the midpoint. And how can we calculate the midpoint? The midpoint is 3 minus 1 divided by 2, it is 1. And 7 plus 1 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, it is 4. Now, by using the equation of the line, y upon 2 equals to minus x over 3 plus 1. So y equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 2. Calculate the gradient. The gradient is minus 2 over 3. The gradient is minus 2 over 3. So, after that, by the help of midpoint coordinates and the gradient, use the formula y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Calculate the equation of the line. So, y minus y1 is 4. Gradient is minus 2 over 3. X minus x1 is 1. 3 cross multiply 3y minus 12 equals to minus 2x plus 2, and 3y equals to minus 2x plus 14. This is the equation of the line. Hopefully, the question is clear. A very simple question of 4 marks. Next question, question number 3. Now, what we have in question number 3, a curve is such that dy over dx is this. The point P and Q lie on the curve. Find the equation of the curve. Dy over dx is given. And if we have to find the equation of the curve, then we have to integrate this dy over dx. Can I say that dy over dx or y dash equals to kx power minus half? Now, integrate. So y equals to k ऐसे ही रहा, x power half divided by half. So y equals to 2k under root x plus c. 2k under root x plus c. Now, after that, by the help of 1 minus 1, if we replace y with minus 1 and x with 1, so the first equation we are getting is 2k plus c equals to minus 1. And if we replace y with 4 and x with 4, so under root of 4 is 2, so 2 2s are 4, 4k plus c. According to this, let's say this is equation 2. According to this, c equals to 4 minus 4k. According to this, c equals to minus 2k minus 1. Therefore, c equals to c minus 2k minus 1 equals to 4 minus 4k. And 4k जब इधर आएगा तो it will be 2k equals to 1 जब right side पर आएगा it is 3 and the value of k is, sorry, it's not 3, it's 5, and the value of k is 5 upon 2. k की वैल्यू आ गई 5 upon 2 की, तो c की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? c equals to 4 minus 4 times 5 upon 2. So it will be minus 6. Therefore, the equation of the curve is y equals to 2 times 5 upon 2 under root x minus 6. And the final answer will be y equals to 5 under root x minus 6, equation of the curve. Hopefully the question is clear. Next question, question number 4, is a question of circular measures. Express the perimeter of the shaded region in terms of r and theta. So first, we must know that what is the perimeter. The perimeter is AB, arc length, plus AT, straight line, plus BT, another straight line, plus BT, another straight line. Now, अब आप देखिए, अगर हम एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बना लें यहां पर, actually we have AB and AB equals to r theta. Radius is r and theta is 2 theta. But we don't have AT and BT. So for AT or BT, अगर एक straight line यहां बना लें, here is 90 degrees. Because angle between tangent and radius is 90. So this angle is x. Let's say this angle is x. Sorry, this angle is theta. This angle is theta. And I'm saying that tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent r. So AT equals to r tan theta. And if AT is r tan theta, then BT is also r tan theta. So it means it is 2 r tan theta. 2 r tan theta. So 2 are common. The result is theta plus tan theta. This is the result of the first part. Perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter of the shaded region. And after that, what is next? Area of the shaded region. Now, how to calculate the area of the shaded region? So, in the second part, area of the shaded region will be area of complete quadrilateral OATB minus area of the sector is the area of shaded region. So first, I'm calculating the area of sector, half r squared theta. and theta is 2 theta. So it will be 2 and 2 cancel out, r square theta. Area of the area of the sector. Now, area of triangle OAT, equals to half base is r, and the height is r tan theta. So therefore, it will be half r squared tan theta. And twice triangle OAT area will give us the complete area. So it will be r squared tan theta. Therefore, area of shaded portion is equal to area of sector, r squared theta minus r squared tan theta. This is the area of shaded portion. Now, after finding out the area of shaded portion, replace the given values of r and theta. Replace the given values of r and theta. Now, r square common, theta minus tan theta. At the place of r, replace it with 5 and theta by 1.2, calculate it in radians, and find the final answer. So the final answer is 34.3 is the final result. 34.3 is the final result, area of shaded portion. Hopefully it is clear. Now, next पर आते हैं जनाब. Question number 5. Here, show that the volume of the cone is given by this. The volume of a cone of radius r, the formula for volume of the cone is given. The volume equals to 1/3 pi r squared h. Now, we have the height of the cone, which is h. Here is the radius, here is h, and here is 15, the hypotenuse. Now, अब आप देखिए, what is the length of the radius? How to calculate the radius? If I use Pythagoras theorem, 15 squared equals to h squared plus r squared. So according to this, r equals to under root 15 squared is 225 minus h squared. ये r की जगह पर आ जाएगा. अब आइए r की जगह पर r की वैल्यू रखते हैं और आंसर कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो वॉल्यूम इक्वल्स टू 1/3 पाई, r स्क्वायर की जगह पर आ गया 225 माइनस h स्क्वायर. अंडर रूट खत्म हो गया ड्यू टू स्क्वायर, एंड हियर इज हाइट. सो इट विल बी 1/3 पाई 225h minus h cube, and this we have to prove in the first part. After that, in the second part, given that h can vary, find the value of h for which volume has a stationary value determined showing all necessary working the nature. Okay. We have to calculate the stationary value of volume plus the nature. So for that, we have to differentiate the volume with respect to height. So it will be 1/3 pi 225 minus 3h square. 225 minus 3h square. After this, differentiated equation को आप कर दें 0 से equate और h की वैल्यू आप कैलकुलेट कर लें. So 225 minus 3h square equals to 0. By this, the value of h is under root 75. Take the second derivative. So it will be 1 upon 3 pi minus 6h. Replace h with under root 75. 1 upon 3 pi minus 6 times under root 75. The answer is less than 0. So it means it has the maximum nature, right? So this we have to do in the second part. Okay, first we have to calculate the value of height, and after that, at that height, nature of the stationary value. Find the value of height for its theta. Now, the next question is question number 6. Given that x is greater than 0, given that x is greater than 0, and find the two smallest value of x in radians for which 3 tan 2x plus 1 equals to half. Okay. We have to find the values of x. So can I say that tan 2x plus 1 equals to 1 upon 3? Tan is positive. Tan is positive. So where it will be? In the first quadrant and in the third quadrant. So now 2x plus 1 equals to tan inverse of 1 upon 3. By this, the first answer is 0.322 because the basic angle is 0.322. Second, the first is 0.322. Second is pi plus 0.322. It will be 3.463. The next one is 2 pi plus 0.322. It will be 6.605. Now, we need to calculate positive values. We need to calculate the positive values because here, given that x is greater than 0. So अब आप देखिए अगर मुझे x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना होगी तो अगर 0.322 में से 1 माइनस किया जाएगा तो नेगेटिव जनरेट होगा. तो इस पहली वैल्यू को तो करते हैं हम रिजेक्ट. सेकेंड वैल्यू पर आते हैं. 3.463 minus 1 divided by 2 will give us 1.232. Next value 6.605 minus 1 divided by 2 will give us 2.803. So these are the two values. अगर x greater than 0 नहीं होता तो हम 0.322 वाली वैल्यू को भी यूज कर सकते थे. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या कहा गया है, x इज पॉजिटिव, तो हम उस वैल्यू को यूज नहीं करेंगे और इसके बाद जो दो पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज आएंगी वो कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. Hopefully it is clear. Now what we have in the B part, the function is defined for 0 to pi. एक्सप्रेस करना है कंप्लीट फंक्शन को कॉस की फॉर्मेट में. सो हम लिख सकते हैं 3 cos स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स को लिखा जा सकता है 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर एक्स. सो इट विल बी 3 cos स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 2 प्लस 2 cos स्क्वायर एक्स. सो इट विल बी 5 cos स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 2. ये आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट हो. सेकेंड, रेंज कैलकुलेट करनी है बच्चों. जब भी cos स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर की रेंज कैलकुलेट करना हो, बेसिक रेंज आपने लिखनी है. वो क्या होती है बेसिक रेंज साइन स्क्वायर और cos स्क्वायर की? द बेसिक रेंज इज फ्रॉम 0 to 1. बेसिक रेंज ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर एंड cos स्क्वायर. बेसिक रेंज ऑफ साइन एंड cos क्या होती है? -1 से 1 तक. लेकिन अगर स्क्वायर कर दिया जाए तो बेसिक रेंज क्या आएगी? 0 से लेकर 1 तक. ना अब आपने 5 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करवा देना है. सो इट विल बी 0 5 cos स्क्वायर एक्स Here it is 5 minus 2. So it will be minus 2. 5 cos square x minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the range is from minus 2 to 3 of the given question. Next one, question of vectors. Now, the vector question is not in our syllabus, so we are moving forward. And this question number 8. Question number 8 is the question of series. Over a 21-day period, an athlete prepares for a marathon by increasing the distance she runs each day by 1.2 kilometer. On the first day, she runs 13 kilometer, right? First day, find the distance she runs on the last day of 21-day period. ठीक है. First day 13 है. हर रोज 1.2 किलोमीटर इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो कॉमन डिफरेंस अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन बनकर आई. एन आपको दे दिया गया 21. एस 21 आपने कैलकुलेट कर. फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 1.2. कैलकुलेटर से सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए और आंसर कैलकुलेट कीजिए. Find the distance she runs. Sorry, find the distance she runs on the last day. आखिरी दिन कितना distance means what is the last term, which is the 21st day. So we need to use the formula of Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. ये जो सम का फॉर्मूला है, अगर ये कहते फाइंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस शी रन्स तो सम का फॉर्मूला लगाते. लेकिन अभी इसने क्या कहा है, सिर्फ 21st डे का डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करना है. तो वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट single term by the help of indicated term formula. So a is 13, n is 21 minus 1, and the common difference is 1.2. So the answer is 37. 37 is the result for the first part. After that, find the total distance she runs. अब आपने Sn का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. अब Sn का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई होगा. Total distance she runs. S21 equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference 1.2. Formula apply करें, calculate कर लीजिए direct result, and the result is 525. And the result is 525. So this is the second part. Now, after that, what we have in the B part, find the first, second, and third term of geometric progression. Find the value of x. So in geometric progression, as we know that the second term divided by first term is equal to third term divided by the second term. So what is the second term here? X minus 3. First term is x. Third term is x minus 5. Second term, x minus 3. Cross multiply. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Cross multiply x square minus 5x. X square cancel out. X equals to 3. The value of x is, sorry, not 3. The value of x is 9. The value of x is 9, right? So this is the answer of the first part. After that, find the fourth term of the progression. So first make the progression x minus 3, x minus 5. So x minus 3, x minus 5. It's a geometric progression. Find the fourth term. So T4 equals to a r की power n, a r की power n minus 1. According to this, the answer is 8 upon 3. Now, what is next? Next is find a fourth term of the progression. Sorry, third part is find a sum to infinity of the progression. Sum to infinity formula, a over 1 minus r. What is it? 9. What is r? R is 6 over 9. R is 6 over 9. So according to this, the sum up to infinity is 27. This is the final sum up to infinite. मजीद आगे चलते हैं. The next one is question number 9. A function f and g are defined by find the value of k for which the line y equals to gx is tangent to the curve. अगर ये tangent to the curve वाला सीन आ जाता है तो इसके ऊपर हमारे ध्यान में आना चाहिए discriminant equal to 0 apply होगा. So now, first make an equation in terms of x. So 2x square plus 8x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 2. So 2x square plus 6x. Acha, sorry. It is not 2, it is k. So it will be 2x square plus 8x plus 6x plus 1 plus k equals to 0. Discriminant equals to 0, b square minus 4ac. C को मैं ऐसे लिख रहा हूँ k plus का equals to 0. By the help of this, we need to calculate the value of k. So it will be 36 minus 8k minus 8 equals to 0. So the value of k is 7 upon 2. Now, after that, in case where k is minus 9, find the set values of x for which fx is less than gx. fx is less than gx. k की वैल्यू आपको दे दी गई -9. तो जनाब करते हैं fx को less than gx. So it will be 2x square. fx will be 2x square plus 8x plus 1 is less than gx, and gx is 2x plus k. So here it is 2x minus k. So this will be 2x plus 9. Quadratic inequality को solve करना है हमें. 2x square plus 6x minus 8 less than 0. x की दो critical values निकाल लीजिए. So -4 and 1 by using your calculator and just write the answer. जो भी last step का sign हो वो sign आप लगाएं. Left side पर smaller value, right side पर greater value. So this is the answer of second part. After that, in the third part, in case where k is -1, find g inverse fx and then solve the equation. करते हैं जनाब. अगर g का इनवर्स हमें कैलकुलेट करना है तो g के फंक्शन को y से इक्वेट कर दें. y इक्वल्स टू 2x plus 1. मेक x बी द सब्जेक्ट. ये बन गया g का इनवर्स फंक्शन x minus 1 over 2. नाउ इसमें fx रख दीजिए x की जगह पर. तो g inverse fx will be 2x square plus 8x +1 -1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। इसको इक्वेट कर दें 0 से, सो इट विल बी 2x² + 8x equals to 0, and the value of x एक तो 0 आ जाएगा और एक आ जाएगा -4। क्या कहा गया था? इन केस वेयर k is -1, फाइंड g इनवर्स ऑफ fx एंड सॉल्व द इक्वेशन। ये हमने आखिर में इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करके x की वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट कर ली। सो दिस इज द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ फंक्शंस क्वेश्चन। पार्ट 4, एक्सप्रेस fx इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दिस। करते हैं जनाब। fx है क्या? 2x² + 8x + 1। 2x² + 8x + 1, इसको हमें इस फॉर्म में देना है। ब्रैकेट एक्सपेंड कर दीजिए। a² + 2ab + b² + b, मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 2x² + 4ax + 2a² + b। नाउ कोफिशिएंट कंपैरिजन, x² के साथ 2, लेफ्ट साइड पर भी x² के साथ 2, कंपेयर करने का कोई फायदा नहीं। x के साथ 4a, लेफ्ट साइड पर 8, हम कह सकते हैं 4a = 8 एंड a = 2। Constant 2a² + b = 1, so b = 1 - 2a²। So the value of b is -4. The value of b is, sorry, -7. The value of b is -7. So these are the, hence state the least value of x। ठीक है। हम अब हमारा कर्व क्या बनकर आ गया? 2x + 2 होल स्क्वायर -7। अब आप देखिए लीस्ट वैल्यू कैसे आती है? बाय द वैल्यू ऑफ h एंड k। और व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ h हियर? -2, k -7। यहाँ पर जो भी साइन हो उसका नेगेटिव साइन लिया जाता है फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ h। इस वजह से मैंने 2 को -2 यहाँ पर कंसीडर किया है। सो दिस इज पार्ट 4 ऑफ द फंक्शंस क्वेश्चन। नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। क्या कहा गया? ऑब्टेन एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ dy/dx एंड इंटीग्रल ऑफ y। ठीक हो गया। अभी तो डायग्राम की नीड ही नहीं है। y = 1 - 4 2x + 1 होल पावर -2, डिफ्रेंशिएट कर दीजिए। 1 का 0, -2 नीचे आएगा तो क्या बनाएगा? 8 2x + 1 होल पावर -3, साथ में बेस का डेरिवेटिव। सो इट विल बी 8 × 2 = 16 अपॉन 12x + 1 whole cube। I think the derivative is clear, and after that we have to integrate this. So integral of y, integrate करना है 1 - 4 2x + 1 whole power -2। So it will be 1 का integral x -4 2x + 1 -2 + 1 divided by -2 + 1, and साथ में बेस का डेरिवेटिव is 2। So finally it will be x, finally it will be x plus 2/2x + 1 plus c। ये आपके पास आ गया इंटीग्रल ऑफ द गिवन क्वेश्चन। डिफरेंशिएट भी कर दिया हमने और इंटीग्रेट भी कर दिया गया। नाउ इसके बाद चेक करते हैं व्हाट इज इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट। फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ बी। बी है क्या जनाब? चेक करते हैं बी है क्या। The diagram shows a part of the curve. The curve intersect the x-axis at A. The normal to the curve at A intersect B. ठीक है. Normal to the curve है जो कि intersect कर रहा है y-axis को. Normal to the curve equation calculate करना पड़ेगी. तो first calculate the coordinates of A. A के coordinates कैसे आएंगे? अगर हम y को 0 रख दें, so 1 minus 4 upon 2x plus 1 whole square equals to 0. 4 upon 2x plus 1 whole square equals to 0. 2x plus 1 whole square equals to सॉरी, ये इक्वल्स टू 0 नहीं होगा, ये इक्वल्स टू 1 होगा. इक्वल्स टू 1. सो हियर इट इज 1 upon 4. No, it is 4 and 2x plus 1 equals to plus minus 2. मैं सिर्फ प्लस 2 पिक कर रहा हूं क्योंकि a राइट साइड पर है. So x equals to 1 upon 2. The value of x is 1 upon 2 and the value of y is 0. Now, after that, differentiated equation of the curve में अगर x की वैल्यू हम हाफ रखते हैं तो gradient of tangent आ जाएगा. And what is the differentiated equation? 16 over 12x plus 1. 16 over 12x plus 1. Now, 16 over 12x plus 1 whole power 3. Whole power 3. According to this, the answer is 16 over 8 and it will be 2. This is the gradient of tangent, so the gradient of normal is minus 1 upon 2. अब हम कोऑर्डिनेट यूज करते हुए हाफ एंड 0 और ग्रेडियंट यूज करते हुए माइनस हाफ कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. यहां पर इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. So, equation of normal will be y minus y1 equals to m x minus m is minus half x minus x1 and x1 is half. And x1 is half. Now, 2 cross multiply 2y equals to minus x plus half. और अगर इसमें हम x को 0 रख दें तो 2y equals to half and y equals to 1 upon 4. तो b के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या बने? 0, 1 upon 4. These are the coordinates of b. क्योंकि b y एक्सिस पर इंटरसेक्शन को कह रहे हैं हम, तो इसमें x को हमने 0 रखकर y के कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैलकुलेट कर लिए. Now, after that, area of the shaded region हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. How to calculate the area of shaded region? The first we have to calculate area under the curve from 0 to half. So you will get this area. And then calculate the area of triangle. Then calculate the area of triangle. So integrated equation में अगर मुझे एरिया 1 कैलकुलेट करना हो तो इंटीग्रेटेड इक्वेशन, व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेटेड इक्वेशन जो हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में इंटीग्रेट किया है? इट विल बी x plus 2 over 2x plus 1. x plus 2 over 2x plus 1. x की वैल्यू 0 एंड हाफ. 0 से लेकर हाफ तक का एरिया कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. अपर लिमिट हाफ plus 2 over 1 plus 1 minus lower limit 0, so it will be 2 over 1, which is equals to 2 only. Now, upper limit minus lower limit जब सॉल्व किया जाएगा तो द आंसर इज 9/16. Area 2 is the area of triangle. Half, base is half, and the height is जो हमने b के कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैलकुलेट किए थे 1/4. A2 कितना आ गया हमारे पास 1/16. Therefore, the final area is the sum of both. So it will be 10/16. 10/16 is the final result for finding out the area of the shaded portion. Hopefully it is clear. There is no confusion in this. Now, मजीद आगे चलते हैं. अच्छा, एक चीज ज़रा देख लें. एक चीज ज़रा देख लें, मैं इसको कंफर्म कर लूं कि क्या ये वाला पार्ट हमने सही किया है. हाफ +2 -2 cancel out. So it is half only. It is not 9/16. It is half. Here it is 1/16. Here it is 1/16. So half plus 1/16. The final answer is 9/16. This is the final result. This is the final result. Now, what is next? Check करते हैं जरा. And this was the last question of your paper, up to the area of the shaded region. We have started the paper at 11 and we finished at 11:43. एक क्वेश्चन जो वेक्टर का था वो स्किप किया, तो अगर उसका हम 5 मिनट्स ऐड कर लेते हैं तो let's say we are completing this paper at 11:50 now. So this is the total duration. If the concepts are clear, you can solve the paper around an hour, right, students? So inshallah, in the next class, we'll start another paper, and inshallah we'll do a paper of S1. So this is all about today's class. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.